Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be discussing the top car maintenance tips that every car owner should know. By following these tips, you can ensure your car stays in top shape and saves you from costly repairs down the road. Regular oil changes. First up, regular oil changes. Your car's engine relies on clean oil to function properly. Over time, the oil breaks down and becomes less effective. By changing the oil and oil filter at recommended intervals, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, you keep your engine running smoothly and extend its lifespan. Proper tire maintenance. Next, let's talk about tire maintenance. The condition of your tires affects your car's handling, fuel efficiency, and safety. Regularly check the tire pressure, and make sure it matches the manufacturer's recommendation. Additionally, inspect the tread depth and look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice uneven wear, it might be time for a wheel alignment. Checking fluid levels. Maintaining proper fluid levels is crucial for your car's overall performance. Check the engine coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid regularly. Low fluid levels can lead to engine overheating, brake failure, or poor visibility. Always consult your car's owner's manual for specific instructions on checking and topping up these fluids. Air filter replacement. Your car's air filter prevents dust, dirt, and debris from entering the engine. Over time, it can become clogged, reducing engine performance. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement interval, usually every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. A clean air filter ensures optimal fuel efficiency and protects your engine from damage. Battery maintenance. Lastly, let's talk about battery maintenance. Your car's battery is essential for starting the engine and powering electrical components. Inspect the battery terminals regularly for corrosion and clean them if necessary. If your battery is more than 3 years old, consider having it tested to ensure it can hold a charge. Extreme temperatures can also affect battery life, so take precautions during hot summers or cold winters. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few essential car maintenance tips that every car owner should know. By following these recommendations, you'll not only ensure your car's longevity but also save money on unnecessary repairs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful car tips. Until next time, drive safe and happy motoring.